HTML tables. HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns.
For example,
the next thing to learn is how to define an HTML table. The table tag defines an HTML table. Each table row is defined with a TR tag. Each table header is defined with a TH tag. Each table data cell is defined with a TD tag. By default, the text in TH elements are bold and centered. By default, the text in TD elements are regular and left-aligned. For example, a simple HTML table. Table style equals width, 100%. TR. TH first name, TH. TH last name, TH. TH age, TH. /TR. TR. TD Jill, TD. TD Smith, TD. TD50/TD. /TR. TR. TD Eve, TD. TD Jackson, TD. TD94/TD. /TR. /table. How to add border to HTML table. To add a border to a table, use the CSS border property. For example, table. Border spacing, 5px. To add cell padding HTML table. Cell padding specifies the space between the cell content and its borders. If you do not specify a padding, the table cells will be displayed without padding. To set the padding, use the CSS padding property.
For example, TH, TD. Padding, 15px.
How to add left-align headings to HTML table. By default, table headings are bold and centered. To left-align the table headings, use the CSS text align property. For
example, TH. Text align, left. Note : similarly for other alignments.
How to add border spacing to HTML table. Border spacing specifies the space between the cells. To set the border spacing for a table, use the CSS border spacing property.
For example, table. Border spacing, 5px.
HTML table, cell that span many columns. To make a cell span more than one column, use the colspan attribute. For example, table style equals width, 100%. TR. TH name, TH. TH colspan equals to telephone, TH. /TR. TR. TD Bill Gates, TD. TD555778554/TD. TD555778555/TD. /TR. /table. HTML table, cell that span many rows. To make a cell span more than one row, use the rowspan attribute. For example, table style equals width, 100%. TR. TH name : /TH. TD Bill Gates, TD. /TR. TR. TH rowspan equals to telephone : /TH. TD555778554/TD. /TR. TR. TD555778555/TD. /TR. /table. How to add a caption to HTML table. To add a caption to a table, use the caption tag. For example, table style equals width, 100%. Caption monthly savings, caption.